In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create these objects with curves and geometry nodes. Let's take a look at the first example. The arc is being used as the primary object, and a curve line is being used as its profile. This is what the profile does. We can freely change how the profile looks like, and this is far more advanced than Blender's curve extrude and bevel features. Here is the next example. A curved circle will allow us to create a tube-like object. The source mesh can be any other curve primitives. Here is a curve spiral example. By controlling the resolution, we can create sharp or smooth angled surfaces. This is how we used to create the same objects only by using curves. Here is a curve arc example. We can use the bevel feature to create an arc-shaped tube object. We can change the resolution to make it look more sharp. I encountered a bug after duplicating this curve object. I used Shift-D to duplicate, but for some reason, the duplicated object's curve properties got overlapped. I thought that was odd, and realized another duplicated curve was created at the world center. Now I have 4 curve objects, and I don't know what triggered this bug. If this issue occurs to you while using Blender, Ctrl+Z to undo and try again. To match the shape we created with the geometry nodes below, we can't just extrude the curve. The curve's extrude is limited to the z-axis, and we can't expand the curve like we could in geometry nodes. The only way is to duplicate, scale, join both curves, convert them to mesh, and type F to fill. This is just one simple curve example. But what if we were working on a sophisticated curve that needed an expanded surface region? This is why I recommend everyone to explore the geometry nodes option, because it could save a great amount of time and efforts. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.